प्रियांशु और आदित्य,
यस भैया।
आज हमारा स्पोकन है और स्पोकन में एक टॉपिक मिला है आपको। किस चीज के ऊपर है?
इंडियन टूर।
इंडियन टूर। इंडियन टूर ना, इंडिया टूर।
इंडिया टूर।
इंडिया टूर। चलो फिर देखते हैं आपने कौन सा टूर पे प्लान किया हुआ है। लेट्स सी। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग। लेट्स डू इट।
Hello Aditi, how are you?
I'm so good. How are you?
I'm so good, thank you to ask this. Will you want to come with me on India tour?
Yes, I like to came with you for our India tour because I want to explore India much and much.
Oh, so what do you think? Where will we visit?
First, we have to visit our area because if we don't know about our area, why should we explore other things?
Do you know any place like temples of Mansa Devi and many kind of places?
Just like Janti Devi.
Yeah, which is best?
In whole of this, I want to like to visit first of all Vaishno Devi
Oh, it's a good choice. And why should we visit there?
because I feel very comfortable there. The area of Vaishno Devi are very pure and very religious. So I want to visit there first.
But do you know what kind of things we should carry with us?
Raincoat because we don't know about the weather of Vaishno Devi, right?
Yeah.
Some dresses.
Yeah.
Which kind of dresses would you like to prefer?
Like coat because there is so cold weather and some heavy shoes and many kind of things like gloves, caps. And you?
I want to take a sari and a suit and some heels.
Yeah, you will look gorgeous in this.
Thank you for the compliment. But do you want to buy something from there?
Yeah. A statue of goddess Vaishno Mata.
That's a great thing. And then after that, where you visit?
I think that we should visit Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. I heard something about that, but I didn't know about that
Do you
much.
know the people says that it is a symbol of love?
Yeah, I know. But I hate Shah Jahan.
Shah Jahan, why?
Because I don't know why the Mumtaz was his second wife. His sister's wife she is.
Oh, I didn't know that. So you tell where should we visit?
Rameshwaram
Where is it?
in north side.
In which state?
Chennai.
Why should we visit there?
It is a very holy place to visit because people are saying that when you want to make any kind of wish, there possibility of completing that.
Oh, so what should we carry with us to go there?
There are the temperature and weather are normal, so we can carry some normal clothes like
T-shirts, shirts, and
Yeah.
jeans. Oh, so after then, where should we visit?
After then, I think we have to go Mumbai, the Bollywood city,
But why?
because we have to know about why the Mumbai called the Bollywood city. What was the famous thing about the city? We should visit.
I think that we should visit a wildlife sanctuary. If we go there, so we will realize that what is our nature.
We will go, but about the climate, we should go on summertime.
Yeah, it's a good choice.
Then we will meet.
Yeah, that's it.